cooker pork roast, anyone? This is a must. All you need are a few simple ingredients to get started. First, I start with a pork roast, and you can buy these at your local grocery store. To this, I add just a little bit of water to give it some moisture and to allow it to get that steam going in the roaster. And basically, you just follow the instructions on the packet. For me, I have found that cooking the roast for 5 hours creates the perfect, moist, and tender roast that is perfect every time. So once it is finished cooking, you want to go ahead and cut it into small pieces. If it is really good and done, you can pull it apart. Then return that cooked meat back into your slow cooker and add in 1 can of golden mushroom soup. Once you add that in, go ahead and give it a nice smoothing out and stir, just so that the soup is covering all the meat and is not one big blob sitting in one place. So basically, you go from perfectly cooked meat, returning it to your slow cooker, then adding in 1 can of golden mushroom soup plus 1 can of water over the meat. Then you want to turn the slow cooker to low and continue simmering for 1 hour. As you can see here, I've added celery, but that is totally optional to you. Now it is perfectly cooked. Time to serve it over some stovetop stuffing. And don't forget to add some of that juice. That adds the perfect flavor to every bite. You can serve this with your favorite side of beans, or just eat it with dressing. It's perfect every time. I hope you will give this recipe a try soon.